Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rifki Ismail. I'm coming from Center of Excellence Health Technology, CBiomes, Diponegoro University. In this time, I would like to present my research related to the computational analysis of running prosthesis design using finite element method. And in this presentation, there are several uh, topics. First, introduction, then research goals, research methodology, result and discussion, and the last one is conclusion. As you know that there are many types of prosthesis for leg amputation. This picture showing you that there are the prosthesis, the normal one for walking activities, and also the prosthesis for running. In this presentation, we are focused in discussion of the running prosthetics. And in many countries, in developed countries, that we see many people doing sport with the leg amputation, such as in the picture. You know that it is common things for them to have the leg prosthesis which used for running. It is quite different compared to the picture on the left screen, that this is the prosthesis for normal walking. So it is quite different for the prosthesis with uh, walking, and this is the prosthesis for walking, and then this is the prosthesis for running. So this is quite different, that the geometrical and morphological types of the prosthesis is different compared to the walking one. And we are going to discuss the prosthesis for running in this presentation. Indonesian people with some skill are able to able to manufacture the normal prosthesis for walking. However, until now on in 2020, we still cannot find the manufacturer or the people who able to design and also manufacture the running prosthetic. And that's why it is quite important for us to discuss this, and maybe opening people minds that Indonesia, as a big country with many citizens, are require the people who concern to manufacture and to develop the running prosthetics. So this is such of Indonesian product which is commonly see in the markets, the walking prosthetics. And our research goal in this uh, paper is to design and trying to manufacture a prototype of below knee prosthesis. Uh, First, we are going to discuss three types of geometrical design in this paper. This is the first design, and this is the first design. This is the second one, and this is the third one. This three geometrical design was developed by our team with respect to some of the commercialized product and some of the patents published in the internet. So we are trying to design and we are trying to conduct a simulation using the composite materials. In this research, we use the carbon fiber composite with epoxy polymer matrix, and this designed to be able to withstand 8 times of body weight user. This is the Indonesian anthropometry for knee, and then we use the finite element analysis to study which one of these three design is the best design, and we choose the best design based on the lowest stress of this first, second, and the third design. The mechanical properties of the carbon fiber composite was displayed as follow: the density, the tensile strength, the Young modulus, and Poisson ratio, thickness, and width. And this is the design that we are prepare in this paper that we going to conduct some of simulation. The mass of the user is around 80 kilograms, which is result which result 6,200 Newton. So this force, this 6,278 newtons, is applied on the running prosthetic that we already designed for the first, second, and the third design. And this is the result. We discuss the von Mises stress for observe the mechanical stress occurred on this prosthesis and also the safety factors. We can see that the von Mises stress is showing in the screen that several color indicate the level of the stress, and this is the second design, and then this is the third design. Based on the von Mises stress analysis, we can see that this third design resulting the lowest von Mises stress and also the highest safety factors. This is 112 MPa megapascal resulted in this third design simulation. So this is the best design to be able to reduce the applied force on this running prosthesis. So based on this computer simulation, we select this third design to be developed further. And next step, after we select the third design, we continue to design the socket for the people with amputation. The amputee, this is the first design, the second design, and the third design. And then based on several discussion, we choose this second concept, this one, for this second design is selected to be manufactured in the next stage. And this is the manufacturing process of the third design, and we get this running prosthetic, and then we try to try to test this third design which has been manufactured to the people with amputation. This is transtibial amputation, below knee amputation, and we already successfully in applying this running prosthetic to the study participant. And this is the conclusion for this presentation, that the best geometrical design is design 3, which has the minimum stress, and it is quite good to be able to produce in the future. So thank you very much for your kind attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.